Today we learn how to convert a octal number to a decimal number system. Suppose we know that octal number have 8 digits and digits are from 0 to 7, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and the base is also known as radix and it's 8. Now first we have to convert a octal number to a decimal number, or first we take a decimal number to octal. Suppose we have a decimal number 214. Its base is 10 and we want to convert it into octal. Divide 214 by 8. There it's a quotient, it's a remainder. Divide 214 by 8, it goes 25, remainder is 6. Keep saving remainders, then again divide 25 by 8, it goes 3, remainder 2. Now divide this 3 by 8, 0, remainder 3. Now arrange them from bottom to top. This is a bottom and this is a top. Answer will be 3, 2, 6. This is an octal number. Now suppose we want to convert a octal number to decimal. Octal to decimal. Suppose we have a number 3, 5, 7. It's an octal number and we want to convert this into decimal. Take the positions. Three number, 7 is at 0 position, 5 is at 1 position and 3 is at 2 position. Multiply with these digits, add. Now the answer is 3 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 7 into 1, and the answer is 192 plus 40 plus 7 239. So in this way we can convert a octal number to decimal. Now suppose we want to convert a octal number to binary. Suppose we have a number, octal number, we have 2, 3. It's an octal number and we want to convert it into binary. Write them separately. Find the decimal of 2. Decimal of 2 will be 0, 1 and 3 is 1, 1. Now these are the 2 bits, as we know that 8 is equals to 2 to the power 3, means octal number takes 3 bits to store a value. So make them convert them into 3 bits. By putting a 0 before them. Now arrange them. First is a 2, then we have value of 2, taken value of 2, 0, 1, 0, then this 0, 1, 1. So this is a binary number. Now we want to convert a binary number into octal. Suppose we have a number 0, 1, Suppose this is a binary number and we want to convert into octal. Start pairing. Here you take 3 bits, 3 octal bits. So start from the least significant bit. This is a least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. This is the least significant bit. Start from the least significant bit. 3 3 का पेयर किया, एक पेयर ये बना, एक ये. नाउ ये 0 हो गया. तो फर्स्ट पेयर हमारा था 1 1 0, सेकेंड पेयर इज 0 1 0 and third pair is 1 only. Put 3 zeros, make it. This is known as padding. Convert them into decimal value. 3 2 1. So and arrange them now. From here, first value is this. From here, 1 2 3. So this is the octal number. In this way we can convert a binary number to an octal number.